So it's time to add a little video to our EPUB. And I'm on this page, which I had created the zine for the Miami Zine Fair. Excuse me. And so I wanted people to be able to see how to use these zines. And so I created this QR code that they could scan and watch my video. I'm going to right click on the pasteboard and go to display performance and choose high quality because this isn't looking that good. But now you can sort of see the QR code. We're going to get rid of it and we're going to instead put the video right in the document. So I'm also going to click this group and I'm going to ungroup. See if it's grouped, and it's not grouped. So this is I could put the video in here, but it's going to be kind of tiny. So I don't think I'm going to do that. I think what I'm going to do is get rid of this graphic completely and go ahead and put my video right in this page. And then maybe I could put my little video watching soap nut down here. So I'm going to go over to the media panel. And this is super easy. I have the video on my desktop. It will not embed video from, YouTube or Vimeo or something like that, which makes sense because it's all inside this EPUB. So it's not going to go out and fetch the video from a URL. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click this little film icon thing and I'm going to find my video, which is right here. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go ahead drag so that it fills up most of the page. And there's my video. The only thing here I want to look at before I test it is I don't want it to pay on the page load. I want to give the user the ability to start it and stop it. I think it's jarring to have something play as soon as you go to a page. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to have it play on the page load, but what I am going to do is I am going to put a controller, and I like this one, skin over play, because now you give the user the ability to start it and stop it. Let's preview it. I'm going to go down here. Here's the icon to the preview panel. I'm going to choose page only because I just want to see this page. I don't need to see the whole document again. I'm going to load my page in here. Here's my page. And you can see that it puts a nice little controller here that lets you kind of do everything. That's why I like that controller. You have a play button, you have a volume button, you have a full screen button, and if I play it, it's gonna start. You can also embed audio this way. Pretty cool.